Hello, welcome back to class. Today we are going to explore the difference between these commonly used phrases buckle up and buckle down. It is very common to hear people use the expression or the phrase buckle up, especially when they want to advise someone to be more serious or more dedicated to their job or whatever they are doing. You hear such expressions as if you really want to pass your exam, you have to buckle up. If you must retain your job in this company, then you need to buckle up. Are those expressions really correct? Let's find out. Let's start with the word buckle. Buckle can be defined in two different ways. We can see buckle as a noun or as a verb. When we see buckle as a noun, it means a fastening device, a device that is used to fastening belts or connect two lines together. It is typically made of metal and mostly in a square shape. Buckle as a verb means to fasten either our belt or to connect two things together using the device buckle. Now, let's talk about buckle up and buckle down. The phrase buckle up means to fasten your belt. For instance, if you are driving out, before you start driving, the first thing to do is to buckle up your seat belt. When you tell someone to buckle up, you're probably telling the person to fasten their seat belt. You buckle your belt, you buckle your shoes, buckle. But when it becomes buckle up, that is a phrase, means to fasten your seat belt. Example, the driver told the passengers to buckle up before the car starts moving for safety purpose. Now to the third one, buckle down. Buckle down is an idiom. It means to be more determined, to be more focused, and be more dedicated to a course. For instance, if you want to advise someone that wants to sit an exam, you tell them to buckle down. You need to buckle down if you must pass this examination. When you buckle down, it means you are getting more serious or more dedicated to a cause. It means you are giving more of your attention and strength to a particular course, be it study, work, or even relationship. Example, you must buckle down if you really want to go far on this job. To pass the examinations, you need to buckle down. To recap, buckle up means to fastening your belt, especially your seat belt when you are in a vehicle or airplane. While buckle down means to be more serious or dedicated to a course. So next time when you want to tell that person to be more serious, to be more dedicated to whatever they are doing, don't tell them to buckle up. Tell them to buckle down. So ensure you always buckle up for safety whenever you are in a vehicle, and remember to always buckle down to achieve your dream. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all my social media handles. Let's continue to buckle down. We are going to get there. Bye.